life is a nightmare. Hey. It's that time again. It's time for you to wake up. Why aren't you waking up? Hey. You don't want to make me angry, do you? You need to wake up. I'm gonna be really sad. There's so much for us to do today. You need to wake the fuck up right now. Five more minutes, babe. We both know that's not gonna happen. You need to wake up. No, I'm not going to step on you. You need to wake up. It's not time to go back to bed, bitch. Stop yelling. I do what I want. It's a free country. And it's time for you to wake up.
I'm sorry for my voice crack. Anyways, please wake up. Love you.
Oh. Sorry about that, guys. That was awkward. Humchi, you need... That was the alarm. That was it. That was awkward. Sorry, everybody. I'm done with these alarms. We're never doing that again.